I was initially inspired about this specific profession when a young family member had been diagnosed with kidney failure.
Having been raised in Lebanon as a Palestinian refugee, I know a lot about the struggles that these families go through.
I saw how after getting a kidney transplant, how much better his life became.
Seeing patients who comes to you worried and then leaving your office happy and comfortable.
That I've affected someone's life today, and now I can sleep better.
And I felt like being a physician is the only way to do it.
My brother literally drove me to Weill Cornell and said, "You're going to go in," because I was petrified. I was like, "Weill Cornell? These are like where all the geniuses go. I'm not going to make it." And my brother said, "Nope, you're going to do it." He brought me my breakfast, put me in the car, and drove me to my interview. And I passed.
Looking back at it, at my 17-year-old self, walking into Cornell for the first time, I had no idea that this was going to happen. I did it naively, but it was by far the best decision I've ever taken.
WCMQ has created a bridge between Qatar and New York.
Between the Western and the Eastern cultures.
For the clinical part, we do our core clerkships in Qatar, and then we do our electives and sub-internships in New York.
It actually really adds a lot of depth to our training.
I was very proud to be part of the family, and I still consider myself as part of the family, being an alumnus.
I have another family when I joined Weill Cornell.
I was going to a school. I actually felt it was an extension of my home. Everyone around was almost like a family member.
Not just be classmates, but like become more like a small family. It was a very
medical school that provides you with this level of support and guidance.
I felt like it was really a unique experience. You have a lot more one-on-one.
We got the best person to teach the topic, teach us the topic.
We have multiple disciplines involved. We're all working together.
Standards, skills, knowledge, attitude, all of these things were taught.
Early and diverse opportunities to do hands-on research.
But it was also about bigger outcomes like how we believe and how we impact the society around us.
These are not really written in books, and that's why it's really important to have supporting mentors along the way.
No matter what obstacle comes your way, as long as you're motivated, you're passionate about what you're doing, and you have a goal, you can do it.
I don't think you should let life stop you from what it is you really want to do. I don't think I would be where I am today in my career have I not joined Weill Cornell Medicine.
The more you experience, the more you learn from different systems, the more you're able to apply what you think is more suitable to you as a person and as a doctor and to your patient as well.
Since the beginning, since medical school, my dream was always to work in Qatar, to help my family, to help my country.
I am Qatari, so I belong to this society.
There's a lot of experience and expertise that you can bring back.
And give back what I learned to the community.
Because I've definitely learned a lot, not just in the books and teaching, but also about myself.
The previous generation taught us how to perform, and it's now this responsibility fall on us to teach the next generation and to carry the science after us.
That's how you start building bridges, and those students are going to go become residents, and then they become physicians, and then they come back and see you or talk to you, and that's kind of you're building more infrastructure, and that's how we build city of connections.